Hi there, students. To stir, a verb. A stir, a countable noun, yes, possible as well. Okay, if you stir a liquid or you stir something, you move it round using a spoon or something like that. So I stirred the coffee with my spoon. I stirred the paint. I stirred up the bits at the bottom. I take all the ingredients, put them in a bowl, and stir in the butter. Okay, to mix, to blend, to move around. If you stir, you begin to wake up, maybe because you're uncomfortable. So I went into my children's bedroom when they were sleeping just to watch them, and I was very quiet because I didn't want them to stir. When there's lots of noise at night, I stir very often. He lay on his side, not stirring, to move, to change position. There was lots of shouting and screaming. John was asleep on the sofa, but he didn't stir. He didn't change position. So if you don't stir from a place, you don't move from it. So he hadn't stirred from his room all day. He had been in his room all day. I don't know how you can sit at your computer and work all day without stirring from your room. Yeah. Okay. No. It was Christmas and nobody stirred while Santa came and gave out the presents. The wind could stir something, or something stirs. It moves in the breeze, in the wind. So the wind stirred the autumn leaves. The leaves on the trees stirred in the wind. There was a very slight breeze in the house, and the curtains stirred. They twitched, perhaps. They moved just a little bit. You could stir yourself into action. Yeah, you move, you start doing something. Come on, stir yourself. Stop sitting there doing nothing. We've got to have some action. Yeah. So stir yourself and go to this meeting. It will be good for you. Something stirs you into action. It animates you. Yeah. Okay. I was stirred into action by the injustice of the situation. I was spurred on. I was prompted. I was driven to do it. If something stirs you, it could make you react with a strong emotion. So anger stirred within me. The question was really interesting, and it stirred my intellect. It stimulated, it excited, it fired my intellect. Okay, the shouting of the crowd stirred the athletes to a better performance. Something could stir your memory or stir your mood. Something stirs within you. You begin to think about it, to feel it. So the quiet, calm scene stirred memories of the past. Anger stirred within me. Some feelings of love were stirring within her, and I thought she was going to kiss me. Then, as a noun, a stir, if something causes a stir, it causes great excitement. So the speech caused a stir, a commotion, a sensation. The Barbie film was clearly caused a stir in the cinemas. Current events are causing a stir. So to cause a stir. And then I guess we've got this idea of shaken, not stirred. stirred. I think James Bond likes his martini shaken, not stirred. But you could say the event, from this event, the experience has left me shaken but not stirred. It means I was disturbed, emotionally affected by it, but not enough to change the way that I think, not enough to change my behavior. So people in the city were shaken but not stirred by the earthquake. It was a very big event, but they were going to continue living there and doing what they always do. Okay, if something is stirring, yeah, a stirring performance, a stirring speech, it is strong-spirited. It excites people. It makes people feel enthusiastic. Yeah, a stirring account of what happened. Yeah, the film was a stirring account of the final days of the war. It's stirring, exciting, thrilling. Yeah. Okay, I felt a stirring of my curiosity. The first stirrings of guilt. Yeah. It's rising. It's coming. It's coming into existence. Okay, so to stir something, to move it. The bear stirred up the bees. It agitated them. You stir the paint before you use it. You stir the fire. You stir up the mud at the bottom of the lake. You could stir your coffee. You could stir in the spices. You could stir up sensitive problems. Some music that stirs the emotion. To stir up happy memories. To stir up a storm of controversy. To stir up problems. Okay, so to stir, to take a spoon and mix, blend, agitate, to mix an ingredient into something, to cause to move slightly. Nobody stirred in the house, not even a mouse. It was very early and no one had stirred, had risen from sleep. Yeah, he stirred in his sleep. He's finally at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, he stirred from his room. He left his room. Okay, to stir up problems, to prompt, to propel, to spur problems, to stir to action, to arouse, to cause trouble. He's always stirring up trouble. He caused a stir, okay, a commotion. Give the coffee a stir, yeah? And notice as well, stir can also refer to prison. Stir crazy, where you're in a house for a long time and you can't leave because it's raining. It's like being in prison for a very long time. Okay, so stir, to mix a liquid, to mix a substance. To move something slightly. The breeze stirred the leaves. She stirred as I kissed her. She stirred in her sleep as I kissed her. Yeah, the alarm went off, but she didn't stir. This stirred strong emotions in me. I was deeply stirred by the performance. Hope and patriotism stirred within my heart. I think you've been stirring up problems, creating problems. Okay, so to stir. Let's see. I think to stir your coffee, 5 informality. To stir up emotion, 5 informality. To stir from your bed, 5 informality. To stir up problems, 4 informality. A stirring speech, 5 informality. This stirred my interest, 5 informality. It stirred jealousy within him, 5 informality. And then as to origin, okay, to stir, it comes from Old English styrian, to be in motion, to move, to stir, from Proto-Germanic sturis, turmoil, confusion. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stir.